Alrighty, this is an on your own problem, so you should have completed the entire problem. Now you have it out on your paper, and we're going to go through it together and correct it and make sure you did everything correct. Alright, so eyes in a peacock muster. Hey, here's the deal. You own a peacock farm. Your favorite thing to do each morning is to look across the farm and see the muster of peacocks. Muster, right here, is a word, it's a noun that we use to describe a group of peacocks like we have right here. Now, as you know, peacocks have the image of eyes in their feathers. Look at them all over here, right? Bam, 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 all kinds of eyes. They use that to scare their prey away. If someone, not their prey, I'm sorry, backwards. They use their predators. Okay, so if a predator comes and wants to eat them, they will flash their tail feathers like this, and the predator will see all these eyes and think that it's a whole bunch of animals looking at him, so the predator will get scared and run away. So here's the deal. With their tails flashed up, right, so you can see their eyes, you can see, and let's write this down, 4,568 eyes. Now, if each tail feather has 3 eyes on it, how many tail feathers do your birds have, right? Do all your birds together. And each tail feather holds 3 eyes. So basically we're doing 4,568 divided by 3. All right, so the very first thing we want to do is count by threes. And here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and 30. Super. So now we're ready to start our division. So I'm going to make my area box right here, and I'm going to put the number 4,568 right inside there, and I'm going to put the 3 on the outside, and now I can see that 3 will fit right in here. Because 3 is smaller than 4, so I can put it right there, which means I got to get a 0 to hold the place value for each one of those digits. So I'm going to go 0, 0, and 0, and then 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 0 is 0, and 3 times 0 is 0. Superb! And I know that 3 will go into here one time, which gives me 3, and I'm going to just put a 3 right there. So I'm going to put the 1 up on top, and then I'm going to put the 3 right here. And basically what I've done is 3 times 1,000 gives me 3,000. And that's my area box for this first one. So now I'm going to subtract. And I know I'm not going to have any trouble coming because I got all zeros here, right? So 8 minus 0. Whoops. Let me make my next area box first. And bingo. Good. So 8 minus 0 is going to give me 8. Oops. What in the world is going on here? So here we go. 8 minus 0 is 8. 6 minus 0 is 6. 5 minus 0 is 5. And 4 minus 3 is 1. And so now I'm looking at 3 can't go into 1, so I'm looking at the 15. So I need a place value holder for the 6 and the 8. So I'm going to put 2 zeros up here. 1 for the 6, 1 for the 8. And 3 times 0 is going to give me 0, 0 for this one, right? And then 3 times 0 will give me 0 for this one. And now I'm looking at the 15, right? And 3 times what will give me 15? And bam, right there, exactly 15. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm going to put a 5 right up here. 5 times 3 gives me exactly 15. And now I'm ready to subtract. So now I'm going to move this up a little bit, and then I'm going to make another area box, and I'll go blue again with this one, and now I'm going to make it bigger so I can work here, and I've got no trouble coming, no trouble coming, no trouble here, and no trouble here, so I'm good to go. 8 minus 0 is going to give me 8, and 6 minus 0 is going to give me 6, and now I'm good to go. So I'm going to look here, and 3 will fit into this 6. So I need a place value holder for this 8 here. So I'm going to put a 0 up on top here, and I'll just put my 0 right there. And then that's an ugly 0. It's kind of flat 0, but it's a 0 all the same, okay? All right, so now 3 will go into 6. Let's come on up here and look at how many times and 3 will go in there 2 times. 1, 2. So I'm going to put a 2 right here. Let me enlarge this so I got a little more room to work. And I'll put my 2 right there. And then now 3 times 0 gives me 0 here. And then 3 times the 2 gives me 6 right here. And now I'm ready to subtract. And so I'm going to make yet another area box right here. And now 8 minus 0 is going to give me 8. And 6 minus 6 zeroes out, so I don't have to worry about that at all. And so now I'm going to think about how many times can 3 go into 8. And if I look up here, I can see that I got 3, 6, 9, and 9 is too big, so I'm going to have to go with 6. And 3 times 1, 2 will give me 6. So I'm going to put another 2 up here. Let me make this, bam, right there. Okay, good. That's a good thing I can enlarge this. So now 3 times 2 is going to give me 6 here, right? So I got 6. And then when I subtract that, I'm going to get a remainder of 2. And I know it's a remainder because the 2 is smaller than the 3, so I'm all done here. So now I can simply add these up. I'm going to do that by moving this out of the way and draw my line here. And remember, I'm moving these up to go like that. So 0, 0, 0, and 2 is going to give me 2. And then 0, 0, and 2 is going to give me 2. 0 and 5 is going to give me 5. And 1 and nothing is going to give me 1. And then I've got my remainder here of 2. So here is our answer. We have 1,522 feathers, right? Because these are the eyeballs, and there's 3 eyes on each feather, right? So we have 1,522 feathers, and then we have 2 left over that maybe a feather is starting to grow. Watch this. This is going to be cool. So maybe the feather is starting to grow, and it's got 1 eye on it and a second eye, but the third one, the feather hasn't finished growing, right? And the third one will be up here. So it's not done growing. That would be my guess about how that's working. At any rate, your answer is 1,522 with a remainder of 2 eyeballs that are left over. So, if you made a mistake, no worries, my friends. Simply pause the video, fix your mistake. That is the fastest way to learn. However, if you did it correct, that's super too. Now, we got another one coming up, so I'll see you soon. Until then, have a fantastic day. And now, on to counting by the numbers. This is a great strategy for anybody who does not have all their multiplication facts memorized. Counting by threes. Ready? Here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Counting by fours. Ready? And 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Counting by sixes. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Counting by sevens, here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. And counting by eights, here we go. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Counted by nines, here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.